Hello dear traders, you're watching the combined review of currency and commodity markets on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. The dollar rose on Friday, touching 10-week highs against the Japanese yen as risk appetite improved amid a more upbeat outlook on some major economies and the prospect of a trade deal between China and the United States. Friday's slew of weaker-than-expected U.S. economic data weighed on the dollar initially, especially the manufacturing index, but the greenback rallied to trade higher on the day. The dollar was up by 0.52% against the yen on Friday at 111.95 yen after hitting a 10-week peak, its best daily increase since February 11th. The dollar was also supported by data on Thursday showing the U.S. gross domestic product grew at an annual 2.6% rate in the fourth quarter, exceeding forecasts for a 2.3% gain. For the month of February, the U.S. dollar index rose by 0.4%. The euro slipped by 0.1% against the greenback to $1.13.59 on Friday. The shared currency gained 34 points for the week. Earlier data showed that inflation in the Eurozone remained subdued. The pound sterling was down by 0.55% versus the dollar at $1.31.92, its largest intraday percentage fall in roughly 3 weeks. But for the week, sterling advanced by 150 points. In cryptocurrency trades, Bitcoin prices moved higher on Friday. A single Bitcoin was trading at $3,851.58, up by 0.4% since Thursday's levels on the Kraken exchange. Over the week, the digital currency lost around $100. On Thursday, the New York Times reported that Facebook and other internet companies are planning to launch their own digital currency within the next year. Other companies are Signal and Telegram. Meanwhile, in commodity market, oil futures finished sharply lower on Friday, with the US and global benchmark prices down by 3% for the week, as traders focused on a backdrop of weak US economic data and record domestic production. On Friday, April West Texas Intermediate crude futures fell to $55.80 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Based on the front-month contracts, prices climbed 6.4% for the month of February. May Brent futures settled down at $65.07 on ICE Futures Europe. Prices based on the front-month contract posted a monthly gain 6.7% for February. Gold prices dropped below the key $1,300 level on Friday, closing at their lowest point in a month and a half. An overall risk-on sentiment, which boosted US and global stocks as well as strength in the US dollar, worked to dull demand for the precious metal. April gold futures fell to $1,299.20 an ounce. It marked the lowest most active contract settlement since January 25th. For the week, the precious metal was down by 2.5%, the steepest weekly percentage decline for a most active contract since the week ended August 17th. You've watched the combined review of currency and commodity markets on Insta TV. Thanks for watching and see you back soon.